Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Now I know it's my birthday today, but I still wanted to make this video following up the UAG cases that I got for my Galaxy Buds Pro. And I made a video a few days ago talking about the UAG cases I received for my S21 Ultra, and this is just basically a follow-up on these cases that I also received. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. Now I know it says on the box, it says Galaxy Buds Live, but this case supports both Galaxy Buds Live and Pro because they basically have the same design for the case itself. Now that that's out of the way, let's just get right into the unboxing. I'll start off with the black and gray color that I have here, and then we'll go on to the mallard and black case that's on this side. So these cases are pretty heavy duty, but when it comes to wireless earbuds, that's honestly not that bad of a deal in my opinion, considering they are not the most durable things in the world. So having a heavy duty case like this doesn't bother me one bit. Now inside the case, what we get is obviously the bottom and top half, and we get this little thingy to hatch on to maybe your jeans or maybe something inside your backpack. And to put the case in, all you have to do is push down, and this part goes on the top right here, and I just snap down right there. Now the way you would open it is a little bit actually more durable and sturdier than opening it normally without the case on, because it does have another flap right here in the front that keeps it protected in the front. But on the back part, you do have the charger port still, so you can still charge it. Now let's attach the thing that comes in the box real quick, and there you go. Now it can hatch onto your jeans, maybe your backpack or somewhere to keep it more secure when you're doing whatever you're doing. Now like I said before, this case is pretty heavy duty in my opinion, but you know, honestly it's not that bad because these can fall out of your pocket easily and fall down a flight of stairs without even you knowing, and they could become pretty roughed up. So having a heavy duty case for earbuds in my opinion isn't that bad, and it looks very nice too. It doesn't have the orange that I complained about on the actual phone case. But yeah, overall very good quality, very nice design. And we'll be going on to the mallard color that I have here. It's the same case because they only offer one case for the Galaxy Buds Pro, but that's not a bad thing in my opinion. Okay, before we get into the other case, I want to mention something. The case is pretty hard to get off, and you know, you could damage your earbuds while taking it off. So I just wanted to make sure if you guys ever switch out cases from this case to be very careful when taking it off. The top part comes off pretty easily, but the bottom housing can be a little bit harder to come off, which honestly is not the best thing in the world, but you know, you won't have to worry about the case ever falling off because of how snug fit it is. So let's open the blue color, or the mallard color like they call it. This is a lot closer to black than I was expecting, but you know, it looks very nice. Okay, let me just get it all out of the box here. So here we have the mallard color. It is more of a dark bluish color, and you know, honestly I really like it considering the case that they gave me also was this dark blue. Now is it the same blue? That's what I'm curious about. Honestly, the case for the earbuds looks a bit darker than it does for the phone, which is kind of weird considering it's still the same color that they have on their website. You know, that's not a big problem, but if you wanted to do matching cases, maybe this could become a problem for you, but it's honestly not that dark, or it's not that big of a difference. So let me put it in the case right now so you guys can see. And the case comes on pretty easily, and it's just hard to take off. Like I said, same durable material, but it's blue and black instead of black and gray. I really dig this design. It matches the purple in my opinion a lot better than with the black, because the blue just fits it very nicely, and the black also does as well. So to open it up, same way, we open it up, it's still perfectly fine to charge as well. Now one thing I did want to check is what it says on the back of the box. Okay, let us see what the specs of this case are, shall we? So on the back of the box it tells you that it does support wireless charging, which is very nice because the S21 Ultra and the S10 and the S20 all support reverse wireless charging. So the fact that these cases support it as well is very nice. It has an interlocking snap lid. But yeah, overall I'm really liking this case. Like I said before, it's not a slim case, but you know, if it's for earbuds I can let it slide because earbuds do get damaged a lot easier than your phone does. I really like these cases, and thank you again to UAG for sending these out, and thank you to Ian's Tech for getting me in contact with UAG in the first place. Other than that, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.